Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about the H-lookup function. H-lookup, as you know, stands for horizontal lookup. So let's have a look with the help of an example. As you can see on the screen, we have a table that contains the names of different students, their scores in semester 1, and the pass criteria. Let's run the H-lookup function in this cell equals to H-lookup, and as you can see here, looks for a value in the top row of a table or array of values and returns the value in the same column from a row you specify. So this will look up from the top row to bottom, and it will look up from the row that we specify. Let's hit the tab button. Lookup value. The first criteria is the lookup value. I select student 1 is my lookup value, comma. Now it is asking me to select the table array. This is my entire table array, comma. The row index number, the row number where the lookup value is located. So if I start from the first row, which contains my criteria, then the lookup value, which is the total score, is located in the third row. So I'll mention 3 here, comma, whether we want an approximate match or an exact match. We want exact match, so we'll select false and hit the tab button, close bracket, enter. We get the result here. If I change the name to student 2, I get the score for student 2. Similarly, it works for various other students. I can create a small drop down here as well if I want by going to data tab, click on data validation, select list from the drop down. Next click on this up arrow and select the names of the students, the entire row containing the names of the students. Back to the arrow, click on OK. Now you can see a drop down is created. If I select student 11, I get the score populated in this cell. This is how HLOOKUP works. I'll catch you all in another video with another topic. If you have any topic that you want me to cover, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys.